Okay, so this video is going to show how to deal with what I like to call the scan.nextLine issue. So sometimes what happens is when you use scan.nextLine in your code to read user input, sometimes it causes an issue in the running of the program. There's no compiler error, but the problem is when you run it. And so I've used the scan.next, nextLine, nextInt, double, got them all. But the main problem is going to be the scan.nextLine. It's going to cause an issue. And so let's see what happens when and this doesn't always happen, but it will at times. And so what we're going to do is we are going to compile this and notice that there is no error. Okay, there's no errors. And so you go, okay, this is going to be wonderful. And so you go to run it and it says enter your grade. So you enter your grade, then you hit enter, and then what you notice is, well, it's asking me to enter my age, but the problem is it's asked me to enter my grade, it's asked me to enter my favorite type of pizza, but it doesn't allow me to respond to it, and it goes right on to enter your age. So that's obviously a problem. Not a compiler error, it's something's happening when you run it. And so this is how we deal with that. What happens is, essentially what you're going to do is, the problem was when it asked for the favorite type of pizza, and which uses the scan.nextLine method to read the input. What we do is we want to go above that. So we want to go before the issue and add some code up here. And so what we're going to do is we're going to hit enter in the input code up here, and we're going to go scan.nextLine. Alright, so it's on a line by itself, which is a little bit unusual, but this will help take care of things. So we type scan.nextLine here above where the problem was. We compile it, and we got to end our run, and it will compile it and say there's no error messages. And so now you run it. Now you see if it's going to work this time. So junior, enter. See, now it allows me to do the favorite type of pizza. And so I can type in there meat lovers, and then age, and then GPA, and then it gives me the output here. So that's how you deal with an issue where when you run the program, it skips and doesn't allow you to maybe respond to a prompt. And there's other types of skipping as well, so where it'll skip something, and so when you do that, then you put that scan.nextLine above where that problem began. Alright, that's how it works.